Hello, and here we have oranges and avocado.
Wow.
It will be an orange avocado dressing. And here we have all these things. I already cut up the oranges.
Okay, in the blender.
Yes, and now we'll cut up the pepper. And this is some ginger. And then here we have some garlics, 3 sections. Comes all in here. And then we have some turmeric and cayenne.
Ooh.
And some salt and pepper. And here I already started the avocado. This I will just wait a little bit and we'll blend this first. Put this one in.
Beautiful. Okay.
See how it is? Yeah, it looks really nice. Yeah, it's a nice thick sauce. I will try it a little bit. Very nice. Yeah. So what we're doing now is to put it in this bowl and garnish it a little bit with some red peppers. And here we have different wonderful food, and one is rice, lotus rice. I cooked it already, and it has split yellow peas. So we'll serve all this now. It has also some cumin and a little bit of turmeric in there. So I will show you how I like to do it. So like this. This will be a wonderful dinner. And here we have some homegrown sprouts. And lots of nice herbs, like here we have Thai basil and some mint, some tarragon, pineapple sage, and baby kale. Tiny little leaves, nice and soft, and a little bit of sage here, a little bit of sage. And then we have a few tomatoes. They're also from the garden, like the herbs. They're all from the garden. And then comes the sauce. You can maybe
Sauce. So important.
Yes. This orange and avo dressing you can use as sauce or dressing. Dressing over a nice raw food salad or over potatoes or other grains. So just go wild in the kitchen. And this is actually the dinner we'll eat tonight.
Oh, yum.
Bon appetit and see you later again.